Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. My name is Aditi and today we're going to talk about creative guest bathroom ideas. Impressive visitors with these creative guest bathroom ideas including thoughtful amenities and clever storage hacks. Guests should feel welcome the moment they step into your house. The hospitality extends from the guest bedroom to the guest bathroom, where visitors should feel at ease and have everything that they need within arm's reach. Whether designing a guest bathroom from scratch or layering on the finishing touches, consider these guest bathroom ideas when planning for overnight guests. So, let's get started. It's important to add privacy shades to your guest bathroom. Almost everyone loves a bathroom with natural light, but guests will feel more comfortable when they can close the shades to change or shower. A simple pull-down shade is often the best bathroom window treatment option, so guests aren't left wondering how to open and close them. Don't forget to add coral essentials on a tray. To pack efficiently, travelers often bring the minimum, especially if they're flying via carry-on. If you have the counter space, fill a tray with everyday toiletries such as lotion, cotton swabs and cleansing pads. Make sure that you add easy-to-reach storage. A small bathroom can present some challenges when preparing for guests. One solution to limited storage is to add shelves above the toilet. In addition to creating more space, displaying items in the open such as plush bath towels makes it easier for guests to find things. Layer in the little luxuries in your guest bathroom. After a long trip or even a short one, there's nothing like a hot shower or bath. Keep your shower stocked with all the bathing essentials such as washcloths, razors, body and face scrubs and more in a corner shelving unit. If it's in the budget, splurge on a nice shampoo or conditioner. Consider adding open shelving to your guest bathroom. Opening and closing cabinets over and over gets old and noisy. Designing a guest bathroom with open shelving keeps bathroom accessories in the open and easy to locate. Wicker baskets keep extra towels neat and at the ready on an open vanity shelf. Leave small vanity organizers out on the countertop for them to use during their stay. Make the guest bathroom feel more natural by adding greenery. There's no reason houseplants can't extend to the guest bathroom. If it's a space used only when guests are in town or if the bathroom is windowless, consider an artificial plant instead. It's really important to have a medicine cabinet in your guest bathroom. If you have a small bathroom sans a medicine cabinet, you can create storage by choosing a mirror with a built-in shelf. Make sure to add a cup to hold a toothbrush and toothpaste should your guests want to store it there during their stay. You can always punch it up with patterns. In the case of a small, windowless guest bathroom, don't fight a lack of natural light. Rather than trying to brighten it up, embrace it by leaning into darker colors. Complete the look with bold patterns to make the space feel special. A bouquet of flowers goes a long way to freshen up your bathroom. Flowers also make guests feel welcome. Your floral arrangement doesn't have to be elaborate either. A few blooms and sprigs of foliage cut from the garden can be the perfect touch. Don't forget to add a peg rack. Hooks are a guest bathroom's best friend, and a peg rack is specially versatile and storage friendly. Use one to hang fresh towels, bathrobes or body brushes. You can even hang a basket for stashing smaller bathroom accessories. A stool is very useful in a guest bathroom. When preparing a guest bathroom, keep in mind that guests range in age. A stool can come in handy for sitting down, reaching the sink, stacking towels or placing next to a bathtub for a potted plant or a cup of coffee. I probably don't need to say this, but don't forget to put in the toilet paper. Nothing is worse than an empty toilet paper roll when visiting someone else's home. Don't keep your guests wondering whether there's a roll in the vanity drawer or nearby linen closet. Displaying a basket out in the open and stocked with extra rolls will put the guests at ease. This is it for this video. If you liked that video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.